बुलाओगे ना सामकी करारी चाय लबों से यूं बुलाओगे. Hey guys, today we are learning Na Aaye Ho Na Aoge song. So yeah, the song's name is Jiyen Kyun. So we need a E major chord, then G sharp minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, A major and B major. So let's go for the verse. So the first verse it start from E major. Now I hope the strumming will be down, down, up. Or you can do just like down, one down stroke. So it will be now I hope down, up. Then chord change G sharp minor. Now okay. Now C sharp minor. Now phone pay. Back to G sharp minor. Okay. Now F sharp minor. Now summer key. B major. Karate chai. Labo sing A major, back to B major, okay. Now for the chorus, we'll do E major, F sharp minor, A major and B major. So it will be gaye tum gaye ho kyun, F sharp minor, raat baki hai, A major and B major, tum gaye ho kyun, saat baki hai. Now you'll need F sharp minor. गए तुम गए हम तुम गए ए मेजर हर बात बाकी है तो गए क्यों ई मेजर एंड ए मेजर तो जिए क्यों. And same for the verse too. So now for the bridge we're gonna play C sharp minor, A major, B and A. So it will be आँख भी थम गई ना थकी C sharp minor and A. रात भी ना भटी ना कटी. Now you need a B major. रात भी A major छेड़ती फिर back to B major मारती. C sharp minor. नींद भी लुट गई A major गई. Again C sharp minor. रात भी ना सही ना रही A major. Now B major. रात भी लाज़मी जालमी B A B. So now back to chorus. So guys, that's all. If this will help you, then please do subscribe.